In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an age verification pop-up in Shopify. Unfortunately, since Shopify doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and it's very easy to set up. So the first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Clasp website. Once you've clicked to the link, this is the page that you're going to see. From here, I want you to click on Start for Free, which will then take you to the login screen of the Clasp platform. I would recommend you to sign up using a Shopify account because that'll make the entire integration between the two platforms significantly easier. So go ahead and click on Sign Up with Shopify. Then you'll be taken to the Shopify login screen, and all you have to do here is log in into your Shopify account. Once you've logged in, you will automatically be taken to this page, which is where you can install the Clasp application straight on your Shopify store. So from here, simply click on Install in the bottom right corner of the screen, and in just a couple of seconds, you will automatically be taken to the back end of your Clasp dashboard. This is what it looks like, and before I show you how to set everything up, if you take a look on the left hand side of the screen, you will see that by default you'll be assigned to the free plan. If you just click on that, I want to quickly run you through the usage and limitations that you can expect and see if the free plan is a good option for you or if you need to go for a different plan. So by default, with the free plan, you'll be able to create as many widgets as you want and have them on your Shopify website. As you can see, there's no limitations whatsoever. The only real cap here is the number of page views they can get per month. Currently it's set to 10,000, so if you expect to get more than 10,000 views per month on the Shopify website, then go ahead and click on upgrade plan right here. This will take you to the plans page, which looks just like this. From here you will see the Pro 50 plan, which allows you to get up to 50,000 monthly page views. Then if you use the slider, you can go to the 100k plan, 250k plan, and so forth. So yeah, go through the different plans, choose the one that works best for you, and if you'd like to save some money, I would definitely recommend you to subscribe to the plan on an annual basis, as that will save you 25% off the total cost. So for example, the Pro 250 plan is going to go from $99 per month to $69 per month. And if you'd like to save yourself an additional 20%, then you can also use my discount code at checkout, which you can find in the description of this video. Now that you know a little bit more about the different plans that the Clasp platform has to offer, let me show you how to create the exact type of age verification pop-up that you want and how to integrate it on your Shopify website. The first thing you want to do here is click on New Widget, and then we need to decide whether you want to start completely from scratch or if you want to choose an existing template. I would personally recommend you to go for the templated option because all the templates are fully customizable anyway, so it will save you a lot of time and effort if you choose this route. That's the route I'm going to take as well. So I'm going to click on Template Library. Then you automatically be taken to this page, which is where you can see all the different templates that the platform has to offer. Next, what we want to do is narrow down our options so we only see the templates that are relevant to us. To do that, what we need to do is go to the left hand side of the screen, and then underneath use case here, I want you to click on show more and then check the verify age button right here. And here all the different age verification templates that we can choose from. In my particular case, I'm going to go for this one down here because it looks the closest to what I'm looking for. So I'm going to click on it to select it. And this is what it looks like by default. Now what I want to do next is click on use this template in the top right corner of the screen. And then you'll be taken to this page, which is where you can start customizing the age verification pop-up to your specific requirements. Now in my particular case, the first thing I want to change here is this background image. I want to turn it into a solid color rather than have this image in the background. So I'm going to click on it to select it. And then on the right hand side here, you will see the editor for that particular element. Then if you just scroll down a bit here, you can see the color option. Click on that. And then as you can see, it's now a solid color instead of an image. Of course, I can change the color here to whatever I want. In my particular case, I want to go for this gray background color. Now, another thing you can do here, besides deleting and editing different elements from the pop-up, is add additional components to it if that's relevant for you. In order to add any additional components, go on the left hand side of the screen here, and you can see all the different components and elements that you can add to your pop-up. So for example, if you want to add an additional layer of text here, simply drag the text button right here and then place it anywhere that you want within the pop-up. For example, at the bottom here, and as you can see, it just added like that. And then of course you can edit the text to whatever you want, as well as change its font size, the text color, the font family, and so forth. As you can see, creating the exact type of age verification is very easy. I'm not going to walk you through all the different customizations they can take advantage of here. I'll leave this up to you to explore. But once you're ready to move forward, go ahead and click on save in the top right corner of the screen. And then you automatically be taken to this page, which is where you can customize when and how the pop-up is going to appear on your Shopify website. In my particular case, the settings are already set to exactly what I'm looking for. However, if you want to change the display frequency, for example here, currently it's set to once per session. You can set it to do not limit. And then if you want to change when to display the pop-up, currently it's set to immediately, which is what I'll recommend you as well. But if you want, you can also set it to when all conditions are met. And then below here, you can set all the different conditions. In my case though, I'm going to keep it to how it was before, and then I'm going to click on next in the top right corner of the screen. If you'd like to, you can also go ahead and integrate your pop-up with Google Analytics. In my particular case, I'm not going to do that because it's not relevant for me. So I'm going to skip this step and click on done once more. And just like that, our age verification pop-up is ready to go. All you have to do now is go ahead and publish it and then click on save once more in the top right corner of the screen. Then what we need to do is click on how to enable and then click on open Shopify. And as soon as we open our Shopify website and as soon as it loads, we should see the age verification pop up. And as you can see, here it is, and it's fully interactive as well. And that's about it. That's how to add an age verification pop up in Shopify. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.